Hello guys, good evening po. Magbubukas ako ng aking mga gifts sa ngayon bago papasok sa work. December 25 ng hapon dito, ng gabi. Okay? Alright guys. Okay, una kong bubuksan is... Wait a minute. I'm sorry. Let me sit down. Ito nakalagay, Poland Leonie. Salamat. Okay, this is the Christmas card. Say, Merry Christmas. Okay, this is from you, Rowella. Charlie and Rowella. Okay, thank you, Dai. I remember sa'yo to. Okay, so, Dai, Rowella and Charlie, thank you so much. Ang ganda ng bag, ng wine bags. Okay, thank you. Buksan natin. Ganda ng pagkabalot. Okay. Ano to? Wine yard. Butter kisses. Is it wine or what? Cupcake ang pangalan. Okay. Ito. Thank you, Daruela. And Charlie. And ito ay, ano to, damit? Oh, wow. It's so cute. Cute clothes. I see. Alright, pang summer. Maganda siya. Right. Okay. Thank you so much, Rowella and Charlie. Okay? Okay, one. Lagay natin, pabalik. Alright, doon muna yung mga pambalot. The next one, ito ay dalawa, pero walang card. I don't know kanino to galing. So, salamat. Hindi ko alam kung kanino to galing. Dabar card, kung galing man to sa inyo, thank you so much. Okay, it's kind of adult party game and your friends. I have no idea what is this. Thank you guys. Okay. Lagay ko lang to. And the other one is it's kind of a games or no idea. Yeah. It's para siyang educational something. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, ito. Hindi ko alam kung may card, alam ko. Kung walang card, okay, I got a card here. Leonie and Paul. Okay. This is the card. Okay, this is from Sissy, Jolly, and June. Warm winter wishes for a very Merry Christmas. Okay, Jolly and June, thank you so much nito card at saka gift. Ito, Sissy. Thank you, Sissy. Oh, wow. It's a jacket. I need a jacket for winter. Here. What is this? Kind of cute. You want to open? Are you gonna break it? Okay. Ano to? Ah, it's a candle. Smell good. Thank you so much, Sisi and June. And Merry Christmas sa inyo both. And this is a jacket. Hindi na ako makatayo. Ah, I like the color. It's Christmas, really. Yeah. Thank you. Maganda siya. I like it, Jal. Pang simba, pang lakad, hindi pwede pang trabaho. Thank you. Okay. June and Jolly. Thank you so much. Okay. And then, ito, another one. Balot na, balot siya. Oops. Okay, I need to know where's the card. Kung may card, kilala ko. Kung wala, so. But I remember, oh, this is a beautiful place. Oh, I have to look. Wow! I like it. Ha, ha, ha. This is where they come from. I think kay Brian at saka kay Manay to. Okay, walang card, pero I remember. Okay, so ito. Manay. Okay, Manay and Paul from. Okay. Thank you, Brian and Manay, Julieta Anderson. Thank you so much. Itong beautiful na sa kusina. At ito naman ay runner sa table. At ito naman ay ano to? A robe. Okay, thank you. Robe siya. Anong nakalagay? Sabi, robe. Juicy. Okay, so this is a robe for me. And itong malaking serving, anong tawag nito? Plate na pang party na pwede maglagay ditong vegetable or fruits for the new year. Thank you, Manay and Brian. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas sa inyong dalawa. Okay, balutin at baka babasagin siya. Okay. Wait. Ha? Hold on, guys. This one, kanino galing to? Walang card. I'm sorry kung kanino galing to. Basta ito. Okay. Hindi ko na matandaan kasi noong Christmas party sa sobrang busy. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung abot. Basta tanggap lang ako ng tanggap. Okay? Ah, this is cute. Hindi ko alam kung kay Amy to or wala kasing card, kaya hindi ko matandaan kung sino nagbigay nito. Kung sino ka man, McLean girl or hindi sa McLean girl, thank you so much. Ang ganda nito. Porcelain, ay na porcelain is stainless, ano siya? Butterhome Garden mixed ball set. Okay, so ito yung mixed ball set siya. Thank you. Yan. Hindi ko na tanggalin. Ay, ito. So, iba-ibang sizes na siya at may cover pa. Alright, thank you so much. Kung sino man yung nagbigay nito, maraming salamat. Yan, magagamit ko to sa kusina pag nagluluto ako. Thank you. And the next one is, hold on. Ito kay Inday Ninita. Thank you, Nits. At saka happy birthday pala. Ha. Nag-abala ka pa. Ang ganda naman ito. Ay, balak ko pa namang bibili ng red jacket. So, ngayon may red jacket na ako. Hindi na kailangan. At, ito. Yan. Suot ko na. Red jacket. Okay, thank you so much, Day. Okay, ito, kasya-kasya sa akin. Okay, thank you, Day. Ninita Jeans. Okay. Ito kay Ate Barbie. Ate Barbs, thank you so much. Ito sa co-worker ko. Thank you sa card co-workers. Hold on, sorry. Asahin ko rin yun, pero I know, this is Ate Barbie. Ate Barbs, salamat. Ano to? Yay! Oh, is it pajama? Yeah, okay. Thank you, Ate Bar, sa pajamas. Pero nung pajama ka to? Yeah, siguro. Teka na, tingnan natin. Right, correct. So, thank you, Ate Bars. May pantulog na ako. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Thank you, Ate Barb. Yan kay Ate Barbie. And ito sa aming kay Joy and Jan. Thank you so much. Ano to buksan? I go this way. Ay, balot na balot naman. Come on, come on. How to get out here? Alright, here we go. Joy and Jen, thank you. Oh my goodness, it's a huge, big isa siyang what? Weighted blanket? Weighted blanket? Wow! So, ito yung kapitbahay namin. Wow, how are you gonna open it? This is really cool. I was wondering. But it's kind of hard. I supposed to bring the knife already open for all this gift. Okay. Ay, taganin ko yung ato. Nainitan ako. Hold on, I gotta get the knife. Ayan, finally meron na akong knife. Okay, wow. It's really thick blanket. My goodness, it's one set? Parang one set na blanket na siya. Oh my goodness. Bakit ang bigat niya? Anyway, ito yung blanket. Ang bigat niya. So, thank you. You want me to open it? Okay. Bagong blanket. Oh, it's so nice. Look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, so ito, reversible siya. At warm na warm. Tsaka talagang pang winter. Wow, ang bigat. It's kind of so heavy. Okay, very nice blanket. Oh, okay. Then, mayroon tayong Turkish. But made in Turkish, ha? But dalawang towel from galing kina Don at kay Jay at kay Kelly and Winston. Salamat sa sa towels. Then sa aking jewelry. Yeah. Where is it? Okay. Okay. I have a ring. Ano siya? Earrings and quintas. It's a necklace. Alright, thank you so much, Dawn. Dawn, Kelly, Winston, and Jade. And yay! I got one here from Hubby. Ito yung requested kasi wala pa akong ganito. Tinanong niya ako, what I want for Christmas. I said, I want a Michael Kors na backpack. Okay, so may card ako kay Mr. Kord Hubby. Ah? He say here, Merry Christmas, asawa. Oh my gosh. Love you so much. You mean everything to me. I love you so much. Michael Kord, Paul Hubby. Thank you, Hubby. Thank you so much. Okay. This is from my asawa. Okay. I gotta keep the bags. I mean the box. Okay, so ito yung aking bag. Tararan! Yay! Alright. Matagal ko nang gustong bumili. It's been a long time. I really want to buy this one. But it's kind of, for me, it's pricey. So, hindi ako bumibili kasi nga mahal. So, finally, I got one for my Christmas. Yay! Okay, tanggalin ko yan. Paano magtali. So, anyway, this is my backpack ng Michael Kors from Hubby. Thank you, Hubby. Thank you. Thank you, Beg. Thank you so much. Okay, so tapos na tayo. Tapos na ako sa pagbukas ng mga gift. Ito yung kay Hubby. Alright, thank you so much and good night and bye-bye. Merry Christmas all. Bye-bye.